Hello friends, welcome to Herbalism YouTube channel. Mucus and phlegm, actually our body needs it. It is an immune response of our body. We need it to trap the viruses and bacteria so that they do not reach inside our respiratory tract. But the problem starts when our body starts making mucus, and this production can cause congestion in the sinuses, problems in the throat or in the lungs. So, how to clean this mucus, the extra mucus? Let's first see the reason. There are only two reasons. One is allergies. If you have any kinds of allergy, the body will start making more mucus or phlegm. The second reason is if viruses or bacteria entered inside your body, then this gives a signal to the brain that more mucus and phlegm is needed to trap all the bacteria and viruses. That's why our body starts making more of it. Okay, now let's go towards the treatment. If our body is responding too much and we have to detoxify our body from this mucus and phlegm, what should be done? Very simple remedy. Just take a glass of warm water. In this, add 1 pinch of cinnamon powder, 1 to 2 pinch of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Finally, we add one tablespoon of lemon juice to it. Mix all of this and drink it. You can drink it 2 times in a day, 1 or 2 times in a day as you are comfortable. And you will see that it will detoxify your body from this mucus and phlegm. Cinnamon. Cinnamon will balance the insulin in your body. So, more production and the inflammation will go down. And then we added black pepper. Black pepper, it will heat up your body, will help you to absorb all the vitamins and the minerals from the food that you are eating. The bioavailability of the vitamins and the minerals from the food will be increased. Next thing is turmeric. Turmeric antibacterial, antiseptic, antiviral effect. It will give you. Finally, we added lemon juice. Lemon, antioxidant and have vitamin C. Vitamin C will help you if you have any kinds of allergies or if you want to increase your immunity. Just doing the nasal drainages, it's not going to help you a lot with the mucus. You have to treat it from inside, as I have told you, the immune reaction. So you have to treat your immunity. So that's why these all things will work. If it's not good for you in the taste, you can add honey also. Honey is also good to be added over here. So drink it, it will surely help you. There are lots of good stuff in it. That's all. I hope you like this video very well. If you want health related videos or beauty tips like this, Kindly ask me in the comment section. I will upload video soon. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with your friends and relations, and don't forget to like this video. I will meet you another day with another video. Thank you.